Hey guys, welcome to the Daniel Show. And today we're driving in the car, just cruising around the world. I had soccer practice like just today. Just today.
Did you play a game?
Yeah. And we won 3-0. This time it was a better team playing against us. Last time I won 7-0.
7-0?
Yeah. I'm not joking. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about my soccer practice. And okay, so this time we were going against a different team, but they were a little bit better than the last one because like switching teams, but not switching the people from the teams. Like you go against different teams. Get what I'm saying?
What was better about this team? They played better.
Yeah, they play a little bit better.
But you still won 3-0.
Yeah, but that's 3-2. Yeah, but that's good offense.
3-2 or 3-0?
3-2.
Oh,
Actually.
3-2.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely a better team. Not 7-0.
Somebody said 5-1. Like somebody said that. Like the blue team won and the black team lost like by 4.
Wait, which you were on the black team, right?
Yeah, I'm on the black. That's why I have a red jersey, but no, not a red jersey. A black jersey. Who am I kidding? A black jersey.
A black jersey and the other inside out is blue?
Inside, yeah. You have, so for me, you have black on the outside, but blue in the inside. And for the other team, they have blue in the outside and black in the inside.
Got it.
So that means the black into the inside means that you're against them?
Yep. Finally, you do something good.
Which team you're on, right?
And the ages are 6 to 12.
So
No,
you're
at 6. Yeah, I'm 8 years old.
8
And
to 12, not 6
No.
to 12.
oh, 8 to 12. So I'm basically the youngest.
Basically, yeah.
But we're only 7 minutes into the show, so don't just skip to the end because there's a lot more fun stuff. This was a surprise. We're at the beach.
Yeah.
I have a thing in my hand. So this is what I was talking about. A small little cut. Yeah, a small little cut. Just a small one. Could you hold my chair?
I got it.
What?
Oh,
Minor glitch.
are they?
Or was it? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this would be a nice sliding area. That was fun. Oh, yeah. And I have sand in my shoes. 2 boats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boats on the 9 boats on the beach, or should I say in the beach. So it's not on the beach, but in the beach. Get it? The seaweed is on the beach, but not in the beach. And someone just flew off a boat. And you see that there's a lot of normal beach stuff. Sand, umbrellas, chairs, and water, and seaweed. Get off my chair.
This is my shirt now.
I just want to take my shoes off. I just want to take my shoes off. So now we're just going on the beach. What?
Whoever passes mommy and daddy, whoever touches someone.
What?
Boogie! Boogie!
I win.
What do you win?
We're at the beach and push that like button. No, don't push. Smash it. Subscribe.